Overpass isn't just another freelance platform. It's a specialized marketplace designed to connect businesses with skilled remote sales and support professionals. Think of it as your go-to hub for building a high-performing remote team without the traditional hiring headaches. For businesses, Overpass offers access to a curated pool of talent, complete with voice samples, industry specializations, and verified experience. It simplifies the entire hiring process, from interviewing within the platform to seamless payment management. You can post jobs, review candidates, conduct interviews, and even manage ongoing campaigns, all within a single, intuitive interface. Now, if you're a sales or support professional, Overpass is your gateway to exciting remote work opportunities with reputable companies. It provides a platform to showcase your skills, connect with potential clients, and manage your freelance career. The vetting process on Overpass ensures that clients are serious about hiring, and the platform handles payments, so you can focus on what you do best: selling and supporting. So, whether you're a business owner eager to expand your reach or a talented individual ready to take on new challenges, understanding how to navigate the Overpass website and set up your account is your first crucial step. And that's exactly what we're about to demystify. We'll cover everything from confirming your email to building out a compelling profile that gets noticed. We'll discuss the different types of information Overpass collects and why it's important for a successful experience on the platform. Get ready to unlock the potential of remote work with Overpass. Let's dive right in. The very first step to opening an Overpass account, whether you're a client or an agent, is to visit their website, www.overpass.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll typically find a prominent Sign Up or Start Working button, depending on whether you're looking to hire or be hired. For agents, the direct link is often www.overpass.com/agent. Clicking this will take you to the initial registration page. The first piece of information you'll need to provide is your email address. Enter a valid email that you regularly check, as this will be crucial for the next step. After entering your email, you'll usually click a button that says Start Working or Get Started. Immediately after this, Overpass will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. This is a standard security measure to verify that you own the email address and to prevent spam accounts. Head over to your inbox, locate the email from Overpass. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away, and click on the Confirm Email button or link within that message. This action will redirect you back to the Overpass website, confirming your email and allowing you to proceed with setting up your profile. Now that your email is confirmed, the real fun begins: building your Overpass profile. The information you provide here is incredibly important, as it helps Overpass match you with relevant opportunities, if you're an agent, or helps potential hires understand your needs, if you're a client. For agents, this is where you showcase your professional history and skills. You'll be prompted to add your work experience. Think of this section as your resume, but tailored specifically to the types of roles Overpass focuses on: outbound phone sales and inbound phone support. Be sure to include any positions where your main responsibilities involve direct phone sales, appointment setting, telemarketing, cold calling, lead generation, phone collections, customer support, or virtual assistant work. Highlight your achievements and quantifiable results. How many calls did you make? What was your conversion rate? Specifics make your profile stand out. Avoid including retail or service work that doesn't directly involve phone-based sales or support. Next, you'll specify your desired roles. Are you a full-cycle sales professional, an appointment setting specialist, a closer, or an expert in customer success? Clearly articulate your preferences so Overpass can accurately match you with suitable positions. One of the unique aspects for agents on Overpass is the ability to set your own hourly rate. Overpass notes that typical rates range from $4 to $30 per hour, depending on the role and your experience. While you choose your rate, the Overpass talent team will review it to ensure it's competitive within the marketplace. You can always adjust this later if needed. Perhaps the most crucial part of an agent's profile, especially for phone-based roles, is the language samples. This is your chance to demonstrate your professional phone demeanor and communication skills. You'll typically be asked to record free-form answers to a few questions related to your past work experience. Keep these brief, usually 15 to 30 seconds, speak clearly, and aim for a friendly, professional tone. Don't worry if you stumble. You can always re-record until you're satisfied. If you're fluent in other languages like Spanish or French, be sure to record samples in those languages too, as Overpass occasionally has multilingual opportunities. Finally, you'll set your availability. This involves indicating when you are or are not available for new positions and whether you're seeking full-time, part-time, or both types of roles. This can also be updated in the future as your schedule changes. While not always a mandatory step at the very beginning, Overpass also encourages agents to upload a professional, friendly photo centered on your face. This helps clients connect a face to the voice and makes your profile more engaging. For businesses, the account setup process is tailored to your hiring needs. After confirming your email, you'll likely be guided through setting up your company profile. This includes providing details about your business, the industry you operate in, and the types of sales and support roles you're looking to fill. You'll define your hiring preferences, budget, and the scope of work you need assistance with. This information is critical for Overpass to present you with the most qualified candidates from their talent marketplace. You'll also set up your payout method, typically PayPal or bank transfer, which will be used for compensating your remote team members. Once you've completed your profile, whether as an agent or a client, it typically goes through a review process by the Overpass team. For agents, the talent advocate team will assess your profile, ensuring you meet the platform's criteria, which often includes having at least 2 years of relevant outbound phone sales experience. They might also require you to participate in an onboarding training session. For clients, this review ensures your business information is complete and that you're ready to start leveraging the platform for hiring. After your profile is approved, you're officially part of the Overpass community. Agents can then start browse job opportunities, submitting proposals, and receiving interview requests from interested clients. Clients can begin posting job listings, reviewing agent profiles, and scheduling interviews directly within the Overpass app. The platform provides tools for communication, performance tracking, and seamless contract and payment management, making it incredibly efficient for both parties. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.